now. People care where their clothing is made. Since 1987, we've been committed to manufacturing in Canada. It's not been an easy choice. In fact, it's been hard to say the least, but we still believe it's the right choice. Supporting the local economy, providing fair wages, minimizing our ecological footprint, and making clothes that are designed to last really is non-negotiable. And it's not just our cutting and sewing. We've thought through every stage in our manufacturing process and consolidated our supply chain domestically. We've got our knitting in Etobicoke. We dye our fabric in Brampton, and then we bring the fabric here to Scarborough for cutting and sewing. This tight radius in which we source and operate gives us better quality oversight and reduces our carbon emissions. When we start to think of manufacturing as essential, when we start to regard clothing as durable and functional and not something to be discarded after single wear, when we start to think about the welfare of the people who make our clothes, and when we start to think about the environmental impacts of our purchases, then manufacturing in Canada just makes sense.